At Buehler Moving Companies, every successful move starts with teamwork. Our people are the driving force behind helping businesses move forward. More than movers, our team brings experience, professionalism, and a friendly touch to every project. Recently, our crew partnered with the Trade Desk to open their new Denver headquarters, a space designed for collaboration and innovation. Every business move is unique. That's why we rely on each other, combining skill, care, and coordination to make transitions seamless. We're partners dedicated to making every transition smooth and stress-free. Buehler Moving Companies, moving people forward together.